Hello, Professor. This is a video demonstrating the third part of assignment of tweet map. So, for this assignment, the team members are Harshit Sangvi, Mrigang Mittal, Gaurav Chaudhary, and Pawan Nihalani. For this assignment, the main task was we had to analyze big data using Hadoop, and for that, we had to collect a Twitter data set for around 100 to 200 MB, which was given to us, but we used our own data set for this assignment, which we collected, and we used Twitter API for all the collections. And the data set consists of some recent topics like news, sports, like whatever was going, it was collected real time. So recent topics like NYPD, fashion, and all those topics are there. And the next steps from here would be explained by my other teammates. And we also did a sentiment analysis on this, which will be shown in the presentation.
After choosing the topic as Pavan demonstrate over there, we implemented a Hadoop MapReduce version of our algorithm. This algorithm have many. This we have a huge data set that consists of positive and negative feedbacks over there. We will use the meaningful words, and according to that, we are processing our data that which is and showing the sentiments on the basis of their rank, whatever the meaningful frequency of the words is. And once the rank is shown, we can simply list the data, trains of the data, and process it further.
Thank you, Mrigang. As Mrigang told you that we are using the MapReduce algorithm. So we have a 200 MB of tweet data, and which is a huge data. So we on AWS we created a bucket to store everything. Uh, Harshit, can you open the S3 file? Thank you. So in S3 bucket we have the jar files, we have the tweet data, and the word file which contains the sentiment response, which is positive or negative. It based on the Alchemy API. We use Alchemy API for that.
Okay, so once the EMR is created and the S3 bucket is created and the data is stored in the S3 bucket, we write Java code to implement EMR, and we do analysis through that. So I'll just walk you through the code. So this is basically the tweet trend that Pawan initially said, that all the topics that we had, and how we are fetching these topics using Twitter API and applying sentimental analysis on those topics. Okay, so once the tweet trends are created, we create a mapper program. So we basically create a map using the Hadoop programming, and this is the code for our map. Once the map is created, we write a reduce program for that. So we have a program called hashtag reduce for that, and we make all the key pairs list, everything, and we push these hashtags into our queue. Once the reducer program has been implemented, we scan all the tweets and perform sentimental analysis on these tweets. So we distribute these tweets into these are the basically the hashtags that we discussed about. These are the topics that we used for our sentiment analysis. This is the path for our S3 bucket that was shown by Gaurav previously. Now once these tweets are scanned, they are distributed into three parts: positive, negative, and neutral. And once the output has been generated, the output is stored in the S3 bucket as we shown earlier. Okay, so once the tweets are scanned, we go through our S3 bucket, and we can see the positive, negative, and the neutral words that we got as a response here. Now since we have a huge amount of data, as you can see here, we have three tweet datas, each of almost 40 MB. So it takes a lot of time for processing all this data. So we already have processed the data, and we have the output screenshots with us. So this is the MapReduce job that was performed initially, and once the job has been performed, we have a local runner that processes our tweets. We have the map task here. We have the framework of MapReduce that we use to implement tweet analysis. We have the implementation of reduce APIs and the output file, the file output committer that saves our task in the S3 buckets. And this is basically the local job runner and shows that the maps have been 100% done and it has been reduced again. Okay, so this was basically our analysis of tweet sentiments. The team members again are Pawan Nihalani, Mrigang Mittal, Gaurav Chaudhary and Harshit Sangvi. Thank you for watching our video.